First of all, open Facebook in your mobile. Now you can see the page. You can see create new account, press on it. After that new page is open, press on get started. After that there is a page in which you can put your name, first name and last name. For example, I add Ali on first name and Zia on last name, Zi, and then press next. After that there is a page of date of birth. Now you can add your date of birth. You can add your accurate date of birth. uh, most probably your age will be 18 plus. Now I added October 18, 1997, and press next. Now you can see a new page of gender. Please select your gender and press next. uh, Here is the next page in which you can add your mobile number or your email. It's your choice. I am adding my email in this, and then I will receive a message from Facebook of 4 figures. Okay, and after that press next. You will receive a email on your Gmail account or Yahoo account. It's your choice. Or when you add here a number, you will receive a text message from the Facebook. And after that press next, and there is a page of create password. Please add a password in this. uh, uh, for example, you can add numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, a capital one and a small letter, and press anyone. You can add a sign, press next. Now you can see a page of save your login info. It's your choice, save or not. Then next page is agree Facebook terms and policies. You should be agree to it. It's compulsory. And if you see this page, you can press on get started, and here is the next page in which you should add your 4 figures email or text message from Facebook. Okay, then press next. And here is your profile is made, and you can now add a profile picture on it from gallery. Okay, allow access to Facebook to your gallery. It's compulsory for adding a profile picture. Now you can see I select a folder, and in the folder I can choose a photo for my profile picture. Here you can see that my gallery, and I added my photo on it and press save. Then my Facebook profile picture is saved on Facebook. Then now you can press on turn on or not now is your contacts. That should be your friends or something, you know. You can add not now, or it's your choice. Now you can find a friends page. You can select some people's, click, press on add friends, and here is your profile is ready to be used for your face. This is your Facebook account. You can add a cover photo. Press on camera, and press upload photo, and here is your gallery. I select a dark photo, and now you can see a dark cover photo and my profile picture. Uploading cover photo. Now you can see a pure profile of Facebook. We created a new account. For more videos and settings, you can subscribe my channel.